Kalijodoh Waterfall. The interior of Pindrang, South Sulawesi, a natural beauty, lies hidden behind that only offers panoramic views but also carries a story passed down through generations. This place is known as Kalijodoh Waterfall. It is said that this waterfall holds good fortune for those seeking a soulmate. Once upon a time, this waterfall was not a busy place. It was a quiet place, hidden with the dense forest. Locals believe that this place was guarded by magical powers. The story goes that a young man from a neighboring village, desperate to find a life partner, received guidance to meditate or simply rest near this waterfall. The young man sat pensively on a rock, gazing at the ripples of the water.
Tiga. Oh, beautiful nature. I'm tired of being alone. I've been here for years, but my heart remains empty. Will I really find my soulmate here, or am I just guessing the one?
Shortly, a village girl appears carrying a bamboo water container.
What are you looking for in this lonely place, young man? Your face looks burdened. I have loved with the cheerful sound of this water.
The woman smiled kindly towards the young man.
Oh, forgive me. I'm just a troubled teen. Who are you?
The young man stood up and was surprised.
I'm just a local who draws in the freshness of this water every day. Take a drink. Perhaps your thirst isn't just thirst, but a bird's heart.
The meeting amidst the cool atmosphere of the waterfall gave birth to the seeds of love. They often meet there, exchanging stories beneath the falling waterfall.
Since the day, I feel like waterfall is no longer cold, but warm because of your presence. Perhaps it's true what the parents say. This water carries the flow of destiny that was previously held back.
It's said that the young couple eventually married, building a harmonious household, and settled in the village for the rest of their lives. The myth spread throughout the valleys and hills. Anyone who comes to this waterfall with the sincere intention of finding a partner will supposedly find their soulmate easily, just like the story of the previous couple. A citizen has once said, "Believe it or not, many have proven it. The key is only one. Come with a pure heart." Today, the Kalijodoh waterfall is a symbol of hope and love, more than just a myth. The beauty of this place teaches that a soulmate can come from anywhere, even in beautiful hidden places.